Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Simple English speaking practice, a school conversation with mom.
Hi, sweetheart. How was school today?
Hi mom, school was good.
What did you do today?
We had math, science, and art class.
That sounds fun. Tell me more about maths.
We learned about fractions. It was a bit hard.
Did the teacher help you understand it?
Yes, she showed us examples on the board.
Good. Did you get it after that?
I think so. I need more practice though.
We can practice together later if you want.
That would be nice. Thanks, Mom.
What did you do in science?
We learned about planets. I liked it.
Say it again.
We learned about planets. I liked it.
Wow, planets are interesting. Which planet did you like the most?
I like Jupiter because it's the biggest.
That's a good choice. Did you learn anything cool about Jupiter?
Yes, it has a big red spot. It's a storm.
Say it again.
Yes, it has a big red spot. It's a storm.
That's amazing. What about art class?
We painted pictures of trees.
Trees? That sounds beautiful. Did you paint a big tree?
Yes, I painted a big tree with green leaves.
Can I see the picture of your tree?
We left the paintings at school. I'll bring it tomorrow.
I can't wait to see it. Did you play with your friends today?
Yes, we played a game during recess.
What game did you play?
We played tag. I ran a lot.
I bet that was fun. Were you tired after?
A little, but it was okay.
Say it again.
A little, but it was okay.
Did you finish all your lunch today?
Yes, I ate my sandwich and apple.
Good. What was your favorite part of lunch?
The apple was really sweet. I liked that.
Say it again.
The apple was really sweet. I liked that.
I am glad. Were you still hungry after?
No, I felt full.
That's good to hear. Did you have a drink with your lunch?
Yes, I had my juice box.
Say it again.
Yes, I had my juice box.
Great. What did you want for lunch tomorrow?
Can I have pasta?
Sure, I will make some for you.
Thanks, Mom. I love pasta.
You're welcome. Did your teacher give you any homework?
Yes, I have to finish a math worksheet.
How many problems do you have to do?
There are 10 problems.
Say it again.
There are 10 problems.
That's not too many. You can do it after your snack.
Okay, I will.
What do you want for a snack?
Can I have cookies and milk?
Of course. I will get it ready for you.
Thanks, Mom.
After your snack, finish your homework, okay?
I will, Mom. I promise.
I'm sure you will do great. I can help if you need it.
That would be nice. Thanks, Mom.
You are welcome. What else do you have to do tonight?
Just the math homework.
That's good. Then you will have some free time.
Can I play outside with my friends?
Yes, but only after you finish your homework.
Okay, I'll finish it fast.
No need to rush. Take your time and do it right.
Okay, Mom, I will.
Did you learn anything new about your friends today?
Yes, Emma got a new puppy.
Wow, that's exciting. Did she show you a picture?
Yes, the puppy is so cute.
I bet it is. Do you want to meet the puppy one day?
Yes, I hope I can visit Emma soon.
Maybe this weekend we can ask Emma's mom.
That would be great.
We will see what they say. Do you have any special plans for tomorrow at school?
Yes, we have gym's class.
Oh, that's fun. Do you like gym class?
Yes, I like running and playing games.
Say it again.
Yes, I like running and playing games.
Do you know what game you will play tomorrow?
No, but I hope we will play soccer.
Soccer is a good choice. You are good at it.
Thanks, Mom. I like playing with my friends.
I'm glad. It's important to stay active.
Yes, it's fun too.
Say it again.
Yes, it's fun too.
Do you want me to pack anything special for gym class?
Just my water bottle, please.
Okay, I will make sure to pack it for you.
Thanks, Mom.
You are welcome, sweetheart. How are you feeling today?
I feel good. I'm just a little tired.
I understand. It was a long day.
Yes, it was.
After homework, you can rest for a while.
That sounds nice. Can I watch a show later?
Yes, but only after you finish everything else.
Okay, I'll do my homework first.
That's the spirit. Do you know what show you want to watch?
Maybe my favorite cartoon.
Good choice. You deserve some relaxing time.
Thanks, Mom.
You are welcome. Let's have a nice evening together.
Yes, I would like that.
We can even read a book before bed if you want.
I would love that. We haven't read in a while.
I know. Let's do it tonight.
Yay! What book should we read?
How about the one with the talking animals?
Yes, I like that one.
Me too. We will read a chapter before bed.
I can't wait.
It will be fun. Now, are you ready for your snack?
Yes, I am hungry.
Say it again.
Yes, I am hungry.
Okay, let's go to the kitchen.
Thanks, Mom.
You are welcome, sweetheart.
Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.